Gounder pizza sauce spreading, and topping machine. Easy key parameter adjustment. Clear and precise production process. High equipment adaptability. Material recovery, less waste. Automatic induction process linkage. Pizza base feeding. Sauce spreading. Even sauce coating. Topping distribution. Excess material recovery. Finished product output. Applicable products. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping.